Guys, in this video I am show you the unboxing of Huawei Nova 3i. So let's quickly unbox it. First, this information: 4 GB RAM, 128 GB internal memory, color iris purple. So first, let's quickly unbox it. Open the box. Here, yes. Here warranty card. So that's out the phone from the box. This, and put it down, and it is the quick start guide, and this is a case of in this mobile box, this case mobile. See guys, and put it down, and this is the SIM injecting tool, and this is charger, 4 volt 2 ampere. This charger is not support a fast charging. And pick up the data cable, and this micro USB cable. This is a hand-free Huawei normal. Let's put all the stuff to the side. So let's out the phone from this wrapper, and this is a phone. Look back, beautiful, amazing, iris purple. This phone is already on, so you can see it is a Huawei UI. Let's open the setting and pick up the setting, about phone, and you can see this Android version 8.1 Oreo. It is 128 GB internal storage, and out of 111 GB free. Go to the display and pick up the notch, hide notch, and we see the camera. It is a camera UI, and you can rotate this bar and pick up the other tools, and video support AR lens, and go to the more, and this phone giving you different features. See, Pro, slow motion, night, panorama, light paint. Is a 16+2 megapixel on back camera with f.2 aperture. This phone comes with a 2 camera on front. See the physical view. And this phone is a 2 dual camera on back with the LED flash LED light, and also back on a fingerprint scanner. The bottom of this phone is hand-free eject, a micro USB port, and bigger speaker. And in this right side of this mobile, it is a power button and slow down and up down button, and you can use the one SIM and one SD card same time. So thank you so much for this watching my video. This is my first YouTube video. I hope you like my videos. Catch you guys the next video. Peace out.